An old woman named Martha lived in a small house with her son, Tom. Martha worked hard every day, cooking, cleaning, and even doing small jobs for neighbors to earn money. But Tom was very lazy. He would sleep late, sit all day, and never help his mother. "Tom, please do something with your life," Martha would say gently. "I'll do it tomorrow," Tom always replied. One day, Martha fell sick. She was too weak to work. There was no food in the house and no money left. Tom became worried. For the first time, he realized how much his mother had been doing for him. He went outside to look for work. At first, it was hard. No one trusted him because he had never worked before. But Tom didn't give up. He started doing small jobs, cleaning yards, carrying boxes, helping people. Slowly, he earned some money and brought food home. When Martha saw this, she smiled with pride. Days passed, and Tom kept working. He became responsible and strong. One evening, he said, "Mom, I'm sorry, I should have helped you earlier." Martha gently replied, "It's never too late to change." From that day on, Tom was no longer lazy. He worked hard and took care of his mother. Moral of the story: laziness leads to problems, but hard work and responsibility can change your life. It's never too late to improve yourself.